Hmm, let's understand a typical website access and assessment. Say there is a user reaching out to web browser for particular website, right? Now it is having some name. This name gets resolved to some number, numeral, right? Some numeral it gets resolved to. Now, how this happens? So we have 13 top level domain registrars globally. They have the entries for the name to number mapping. Okay. So this number is a public network IP. What is it? Public network IP of a server machine. Now this can be a computer to begin with. This can be a laptop to begin with. This can be a virtual machine inside computer. This can be a blade server. Okay. Yes. So the request would reach from browser to TLD and would get resolved to one of these systems, right? Simple. Now the content that is presented here, available here, will be presented back to the user. So the content would reach back to the user from this system. I repeat, we have got a user, end user, right? It calls upon a browser website. It gets resolved to some number. This number and name mapping is maintained globally with top 13 top level domain registrars. Now this number is called public network IP. It's public IP actually, and static. So this way the request is routed to the IP and network interface card NIC of one of these four systems. It can be a simple computer, desktop system, it can be a laptop, it can be a virtual machine hosted inside some computer, and then it can also be a blade server. The response is given back to the end user. What kind of systems will be here for responding? Two types of systems can be there for the responses. One is static, one is dynamic. What is static? Static and dynamic. Static and dynamic. What is static? Simple HTML, right? With beautiful CSS. CSS to beautify. Simple JS. Simple JavaScript also. What is dynamic? Dynamic can be any stack application. Front end, right? LAMP is there. Munstack is there, right? J2EE applications can be here. So dynamic. I repeat, two types of server contents are served from here. One is static type and one is dynamic type. Static is like simple. You request some information, read information is passed to you. HTML is passed, CSS, JavaScript simple is passed, right? So, and what is dynamic then? LAMP stack application responding back, Mon stack application responding back, J2E application responding back. Right? So what does this support? This support create, retrieve, update and delete. What does this support? Only retrieve it does. So dynamic applications can help us perform all the 4 operations. Create, retrieve, update, delete file. The static app is only to write to information, right? It is about.